So here in the urban garden, we are growing. And so I'm Synolve, and my content is all about homesteading and lifestyle and creating a more self-sustainable and self-sufficient lifestyle wherever you are, whether it's growing your own food, growing your own herbs, canning, whatever that may be. We are self-sufficient, or even having eggs and chickens, which I'd love to have. I have several ways that you can join me, and you'll get exclusive content on behind the scenes on the things that I'm doing, and the first opportunities to be able to sponsor some of the students here in the urban garden, and also to come and work and volunteer here with us here in the urban garden. All right, guys, I'd love it if you'd be a part of our team and support the work that we do. And I'm so excited. And so, y'all, I would be excited if you all just came on in and became a part of the work we do here in the urban garden. I can't wait to see you inside. Come on in.